in our Gita class, we give this example. A very rich man had this disdain for God. He says, I don't care about God. And then he came to know somebody who was a rich man before, and then he became a sadhu. So he said, Aap bairagi hain. You are a renounced person. He said, no, you are a bigger renouncer than me. So he said, are you flattering me? He said, no, I am telling the truth. I just renounced some material possession. You have renounced God. He is the biggest. His wealth is the biggest. And you have renounced him. Your renunciation is bigger than mine. Of course, it took some time for him to understand. So, the idea that don't offer it to Krishna. You taste it yourself. I like it, therefore I am making it, therefore I am making more, therefore I am liking it, therefore I am eating it. I get what I want. I, me and mine. This forgetfulness is whose desire? Your desire. And then after 3 days you say that those pakoras were absolutely bad for me. It's your mistake. Now whether it is pakoda, whether it is his marriage, whether it is his estate, whether it is degree, career, home, entire sojourn, entire journey in this material life is based on only these 3 functions. It's like a to-do list. It's like your own memory thing which you wrote down somewhere, your own diary. So, Smriti comes from Krishna, Gyan comes from Krishna, and forgetfulness comes from Krishna. And one day you decide, my career as a bhogi is not that good nowadays. I may have made some mistake. I don't know what that mistake is. So if you ask somebody outside that, am I making a mistake in choosing this film or other? The Bhagavatam is not interested in abusing you. It is abusing the enjoyer mentality. So say, okay, all right. I pay my 200 rupees. I'll come for this Queen Kunti Singh, whatever it is. I don't know what I'm going to expect. Later you hear the same 3 things are involved. Smriti, Gyan, Apohanam. What is the Smriti now as you have begun your career as a Bhakti Yogi? You forgot you are a part and parcel of Krishna. Anadi karama phale, pari bhavarnava jale, taribara na dekhi upay. Oh my Lord, I gave you up. You never gave me up. What is the proof that Krishna never gave me up? As Paramatma, he is always there. So Paramatma is like somebody, when is the next train to so and so Pur? 4 o'clock. Now whether to go there or not, he will not tell you. For that you need Guru. Why do you need Guru when Paramatma as the Chaitya Guru is always there? Your first jhagada is with him. Your first fight is with him. So the same Krishna in the form of your spiritual master, you say, I like him. But sometimes when I read about him, I don't like. Why is he saying, I am everything and I am big, I am this? Arey, thoda humble bano bhai, itna bhi kya hai? First time I read the Bhagavad Gita, I said, how much he is praising himself? That too with his own mouth. Arjun, I am God. I'm sorry, but I am God. Somebody just wanted to go to Switzerland for a vacation. And say, marne do na, Switzerland kya hai, Dharavi kya hai, Bahamas kya hai, sab ek hi hai. So the forgetfulness which a devotee requires is all the list of to-do things of bhog which we have to do here. And we say, there could be some peak which I have not climbed. How horrible. Some forest, some sunset which I have not seen, some sunrise which I have not seen, some delectable thing which I didn't eat, some chocolate which I don't taste. Like one devotee joined the ashram. But before joining the ashram, he stopped at Dadar station